What if I told you, your bad sleep has nothing to do with bedtime? Not your mattress. Not melatonin. Not even your phone. The real problem starts the moment you wake up. And almost nobody talks about it. Your body was literally designed to sleep, through movement. One small daily change can equal faster sleep, deeper sleep, and less exhausted mornings. And the craziest part, it has nothing to do with working out harder.
Welcome back to Better Sleep. I am Dr. Sleep. This is part 1 of a 2-part series on movement and sleep.
Modern humans barely move anymore, sit in cars, sit at desks, on couches. Then, we expect our bodies to magically switch into deep sleep mode at night. Your nervous system expects rhythm, movement during the day. Then recovery at night. Studies show people who move more during the day fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up less. But most people get this wrong. You do not need brutal workouts. The secret is consistent movement, that is it. Movement burns physical energy, your body keeps a score. It lowers stress hormones like cortisol. Fewer racing thoughts at night. Movement plus daylight together regulate your circadian rhythm, your internal body clock. Even a 20-minute daily walk outside can dramatically improve sleep quality. 2 signals, daylight and body movement. Your brain hears, stay alert now, so we can sleep deeply later. So what is the best exercise for sleep? Most people expect heavy lifting or HIIT. But research points to moderate, consistent movement, walking, yoga, stretching, light cycling. The goal isn't punishment, it is communication. You are telling your nervous system, I used energy today. I can recover tonight. Timing matters. Intense workouts too close to bedtime can keep your nervous system activated. Save calming movement like stretching or yoga for the evening. Tonight, don't focus on sleeping harder. Focus on moving better during the day. Sleep isn't something you force. It is something your body prepares for. In part 2, the exercises that secretly destroy your sleep. Why some healthy people still wake up exhausted. And the surprising reason elite athletes obsess over recovery more than workouts.
Subscribe to Better Sleep. Yes, hit like and share. Hit notifications so you don't miss part 2.